For drone and automotive harness, the conductor resistance inspection is able to detect open, short defection. MICROTEST model 8761 can multi-point test such as 64, 128 and 256. Wire and harness defection may cause the following factors. While the HSR is running under high speed, the harness instant short will cause the safety problem. MICROTEST model 8761 offer intermittent open, short test function to detect the defection. For drone and automotive harness, the conductor resistance inspection is able to detect open, short defection. MICROTEST 4-wire harness wiring tester 8761 offer precision 4-wire low impedance test function, avoiding the resistance issues caused from adapting the fixture wires.